Hi everybody, it's Catherine. Today my project is a fall one. I'm using the Simply Leaves stamp set and punch along with the Everyday Arches dies. Okay, and the box measures 2.5 by 3 3/4 by 1 1/4. And inside I have some Werther's hard candies, which are some of my favorites. Okay, so it's relatively easy and quick. We need a piece of Golden Glow that is 8 by 7, a piece of Golden Glow, and a piece of Peaceful Pine for stamping. So we also need, this is the arch, and the arch measures 2 by 3 1/4. This DSP is the 2026 to 28 in color Gingham Gallery DSP. And the rest of it is the Bloom Boutique DSP. And we need 2 pieces that are 2 1/4 by 3 1/2, 2 that are 1 by 3 1/2, and 2 that are 2 1/4 by 1. Let me get my Simply scored. We're going to start on the 8-inch side. Score at 1 1/4, 3 3/4, 5 and 7 1/2. Turn it to the 7-inch side and score at 1 1/4, 5 and 6 1/4. Okay, now fold and burnish your score lines. Okay, now your 1/2-inch rectangle is over here. There is a 3/4 inch strip at the top and 1 1/4 here and here. And this is what we're going to be doing. Okay, we're going to start down over here. Go to the first score line, cut it to the first score line, and wedge both sides of that square. Go to the next 2 score lines and cut them to the first score line, then wedge that square. Go to that last score line, cut it to the first score line, and wedge up into that 1/2-inch rectangle. Okay, now flip it so your 1/2-inch rectangle's over here. Count to the second score line, cut it to the second score line, and take these 4 pieces off. And then wedge up in that 1/2-inch rectangle. Okay, go to the next score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the rectangle, and wedge the square. Go to that last score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the rectangle, and wedge the square. And that's that side. Now we're going to round these corners here. Okay, and that's what your cardstock should look like. Okay, get some tear and tape and put it next to the score line on that 1/2-inch rectangle. And take that backing off with your take your pick tool. Oops. All right, now we're going to flip over the entire piece. Fold over the side with the tape and the other side to meet it. All right, now this is our back, so we're going to put this flap down first. Okay, and there's your box. Now we're just using the Bloom Boutique DSP right now. The 2 largest pieces on the front and back, long sides and short sides are the small ones. All right, and that is your box. Okay, we'll let that dry and we're going to do our stamping. So I'm using Peaceful Pine and Golden Glow inks, and we're going to stamp this large leaf and this small leaf. Alright, so let's do the small first with Golden Glow. I will fussy cut that one out. And then the large one with Peaceful Pine. And then I'm going to take the Simple Leaf Punch. Okay. And then I'll just cut this. Try to leave a little border like the punch does with the large one. Okay, now we need our arch, and I'm going to use Peaceful Pine ink again and the Sentiment Thanks. And I'm going to try to get this on there nice and even. And it's a little crooked, but that's okay. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to place my leaves kind of like that. And I'm going to get a dimensional. I'll stick it in so it doesn't show, and then peel off the, oh, it already took. Okay, so then it's stuck like that, and I'll sneak a little bit of glue on the bottom. Okay, now we're going to tie a bow with some linen thread. Okay, and I'm going to get some glue dots. And I'm going to put it right at the base of the leaf before the stem starts. And I'm going to put this one, this is going to go like this. So I'm going to put this one like that. And then I'm going to tie a bow with Peaceful Pine bordered ribbon. Alright, and then I'm going to put another glue dot on the bow. And some liquid glue on the sides. And we're going to do this one the other way. Alright, and then we're just going to glue this onto our arch. Like that. Okay, now we need our box, and we'll put some dimensionals on the back of our arch. And put it right on there. Okay, now this one I had to use Golden Glow in color dots. They're 26 to 28 in color dots because I only had 3 of the Peaceful Pine ones left, but actually I'm going to do 1, 2, and then I'm going to use a Golden Glow on the leaf again anyway. There we go. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. All the info is linked below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.